Hi, I just wanted to send you a short video of the Ferrari 360 Spyder, just to give you an idea of its overall condition. As you can see, it's presented well. There's only 16,000 kilometers on the vehicle, so you can imagine its overall condition. There's no nasty dents, scuffs, scores, scratches. It's quite clean throughout. And finished in the popular red with tan leather interior. If I just pop inside, just to give you an idea of the car's cabin. As you can see, it's been meticulously maintained and everything you'd expect with only 16,000 kilometers. It's 10,000 miles, so you can see just even in around its bright work, and all the obviously all the silver finish is exceptionally good, which are normally prone to wear. And even in around all the steering wheel and all its switches, etc., it's all exceptionally good. So just to give you a bit of a flavour of what the car's like, and God willing, I'll hear from you soon.